Hello, my name is Jesus Alexander Contreras Andrade. I will present the scribbles on my body you admire. So let's go. Dwayne Johnson is 8 years old. He is an American actor professional retail, popularly known as The Rock at a Rock. Sleep about 3 or 5 hours. Gets up, showers, makes coffee, and goes to the work. Meditate 30 minutes a day. He does about 6 hours per day for each muscular part with a total of 23 repetitions. He trained 6 days a week and eat 6 and 7 times to grow the day. Dwayne Johnson always to the beach and I play video games. Thank you.